In this movie, I'll explain how you can use a digital burette to titrate solutions. The digital burette consists of the following parts. Here on the back is a stock vessel which contains the solution you want to titrate, in this case a blue solution. On top of the stock vessel is a plunger. The plunger sucks the solution from the stock vessel through the burette. And on top of this is the burette. This burette contains turning wheels on the side with which the solution can be sucked or aspirated from the plunger. And on the top front is a display. This display shows how much solution has been titrated. The titrated solution goes via this tube to the faucet. Via this faucet, the solution is released in the reaction vessel. The faucet is protected with a cap when the burette is not in use. This prevents the faucet from drying out. To start, remove the cap from the faucet. Turn the burette on with the on button located on top of the burette. Place a waste container under the burette. Put the burette on the fill stand and suck the solution up with the turning wheels on the side until the plunger is completely filled. When the burette is filled up, put the burette on the titrate stand with the button here on top. Then you can flush the burette tube. Perform this by titrating a few milliliters of solution. As you can see, when you turn the wheel downwards, it will release a solution one drop at a time and the amount of milliliters on the display increases. After flushing with several milliliters, check if the tube is free of air bubbles and rinse the faucet with demi-water. Never dry the faucet. Then place the reaction vessel with the solution you want to titrate under the burette. Press the clear button to set the burette to 0 milliliters. Then, turn on the magnetic stirrer to stir the solution slowly. By turning on the wheel, you can add the titration solution drop by drop to the reaction vessel. Continue until the titration is finished. Note the amount of milliliters on the display at the end of the titration. It is possible that you need to titrate more milliliters than the maximum volume of the plunger. In this case, 50 ml. There is a way to solve this problem with the burette. For this, press the fill button of the burette when the plunger is completely empty. Suck up new solution with the plunger. As you can see, the volume counter on the display doesn't change. When the plunger is filled, put the burette back on titrate and continue with the titration. As you can see, the number on the display continues from where it stopped before the refill, so you can titrate more than 50 ml.